Diyan ka magsalita ka naman, oh!
No, I saw you with another girl.
Ha? Kailan?
The other day.
Hindi ko na alam! Bakla yun! Wala ko dito! Ewan ko lang babae! Bakit ako ang mahal ko? Di ba? Sabay tayong mag-gym! Sabay tayong
Alam mo, Pamela, ang laka na itulog mo.
Thank you, Mama.
Ito.
Later, we'll decide to see
Ito na, ito
Ito
na.
na.
Tignan natin kung maputi na to. You are Diana, right? Diana? Diana?
Are you ready, Diana?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, this time I want you to use English only, ha? English.
English?
Marunong ka pa sa akin?
Ano pa ako sa'yo eh?
Okay, you can dialogue on English. Alright.
Hindi nga.
Di, alam mo, direct dito dapat sumali ka sa eksena to.
Okay, I'll be the member Rocco. No. Chinchin Gutierrez.
Siya yung tabi.
Di!
Kapit, may mukha akong nanay niya.
Okay, sige, direct. Ready na ako. Mukhang ready na ako.
Alright, so ako magbibigay ng eksena na natin, no? Alright, he's my son, and you're his girlfriend, and you're very, very poor. And I don't like poor. Because you are rich, alright? Then,
So, direct,
yeah.
dapat nag-i-English din ako kasi we're rich.
Yeah, because we're rich and our house have an elevator.
Alright, direct, I'm ready.
Okay, and I came home from Italy, and then I saw you guys scare me to it, and I'll get mad, right? Lights! Camera! Action!
Oh my gosh. You're so aggressive. Let's try not to do it here. There's a lot of people watching. Alright, no. I don't like you touching me with your boobs.
Watching the books.
Don't give me a hard time. Don't.
Jenna!
Oh, mother.
What is the meaning of this? Who is she?
She's Diana.
Ako po yung showtime.
So, you're the daughter of the Lavandera.
Mommy, that's okay.
Hindi, yaya ko ako sa kanya dati.
Sorry?
Ako yung anak ng yaya.
Yes, that is Lavandera also.
Mommy, it's okay. You used to be a Lavandera one day.
Say that. Okay. It's our family secret.
I'm sorry, Mother. But I love
Sa
her.
kami nga yan.
I know you love her, but you cannot be.
Can't be.
She's so poor, Rita.
Diana, I'm sorry, but I will have to let my mom decide whether it's us
You should listen to me. I know it's good for you.
Huwag kang makinig sa nanay mo. Mahal na mahal kita.
And then,
If you really love him, okay. If you
Sabihin mo na yung totoo. May anak tayo.
Excuse me, Diana. Paano kayo magkakaanak ng anak ko? Sabay tayo ng patuloy.
Pati yung vocal bit, pinukom mo.
okay, direct. Cut na doon.
Yes, kata tayo.
Cut na tayo doon.
Alright, so eto na.
Diana,
Let's go, tawagin na natin yung dalawang
si Jessa and si Abigail. Sorry about that.